Mike White.
Can I very quickly get a take on the other side? I mean, who would have ever imagined that Michael Jordan would introduce a game and Tom Brady would start at the age of 45 and all we talk about is the other team? What did you see from Brady? They didn't look good either last night on offense. Their defense looks very good.
It's the story of this 2022 season, though, injuries. You know, the Chris Godwin injury and the Donovan Smith injury at left tackle are huge. The two bright spots I will say is this. Julio Jones looked good. Julio Jones not only moved well, but his usage was pretty good. They gave him a couple jet sweeps. They threw him the ball possession. They took the shot downfield, and he does an incredible job of tracking that football. If he can run like that and make some plays with the ball in his hands, then that's 2019 season all over again. And then they ran the football pretty darn well. They put some big bodies on the field, even with that beat-up offensive line. They put 2 and 3 tight ends on the field multiple times, and they ran the football at the Cowboys' heart and did it well. If they can do that with some big body movement on the field and Leonard Fournette can stay healthy and run the ball, that gives them the chance to try to survive a little bit, get healthy, and play dominant defense.
I think that's the thing, right? If we remember, when this team won the Super Bowl, yes, they had Tom Brady, but this defense played out of their minds throughout the playoffs, right? And then we saw them in the Super Bowl truly take over against Patrick Mahomes, who didn't have his offensive line.
Yeah.
If the defense can sustain them early, there is no way I'm betting against Tom Brady figuring some things out. You can run the football, get into the play-action game. It's okay to win differently.
That's a good point. That's what you got to be okay with.
Yeah, it's okay to win differently.
Yeah, no, I mean, we both know. We got Super Bowl rings because of the defense, all right? So you can win playing defense, running the football and things. Last year, you're right, the MO is going to change. Nobody attempted more passes than Tom Brady did last year. But that has to change. Julio Jones, to count on him, Dano, I mean, for a veteran guy like this, you can play in a game, but you can't recover anymore. That's my only concern there with Julio. Here's the difference.
Rob Gronkowski would have never kicked 4 field goals in the red zone with Rob Gronkowski on the field. They can't protect when it's needed the most. That's my issue. We can run the football, play defense. 3rd down and in the red zone, we got to get the passing game to be the issue or the winner. The protection's just not going to be there.
You brought in Rudolph to replace some of that Gronk deal, a big target as a tight end. We'll see later in the year.
There's only one Gronk. And
no, he's not Gronk.
The sense is it's sounding less and less like he's going to come back this year. We'll have to wait and see. Meanwhile, thank you for watching ESPN on YouTube. For live streaming sports and premium content, subscribe to ESPN+.